everyone and welcome to xxMelle Potato Kitchen! Today we're making a recipe that is really tasty, packed with flavor, it's creamy, cheesy, as usual, and it's really good. It's shrimp Alfredo pasta. So here's what it looks like. Look at this. Look how good that looks. I want more. Okay. Here's how to make it. First, you need shrimp. Mine were frozen. So I needed to remove the tail before cooking because otherwise it's annoying. So what I did is I ran them under cold water for a little while and just pulled on the tail and removed them all. Then I was ready to season. So I put some salt, pepper, chili flakes, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and sriracha. So 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, some freshly cracked black pepper to taste, same with salt, freshly cracked salt to taste. I tried to measure the chili flakes, but as you can see, it didn't really go well. So maybe like half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a good teaspoon of lemon pepper. That thing is amazing. And half a teaspoon of sriracha for a little bit more spiciness. Then you want to mix everything together, but the shrimps are still frozen. So take your time, make sure that you mix everything well and that the spices are incorporated on each shrimp. And as you can see, those shrimps were bluish, grayish, because they are uncooked. You want to buy uncooked shrimp because if you want to grill them again, then they're gonna like be cooked once and then cooked twice, and they're just gonna be like rubber tired. That's disgusting. We don't want that. So you want to have uncooked shrimp, and they're really quick to cook. And the trick is to cook them at the highest temperature that you can. So here I preheated my pan at the highest temperature I could do, and I've put the shrimp in with a lot of butter, and I don't touch them for like a minute or two so that they grill and they cook. If you move them too much, they will lose their water and they will boil instead of grill, and they will be hard and rubbery, and we don't want that. And to know if a shrimp is cooked is to look at the color. The shrimp will become pink once it's cooked. Now we can't really see it, but some of the shrimp started to turn pink. But when you turn them, you can see clearly that they are starting to turn pink. So after a minute or two, you flip them and you let them cook again for a minute or two, and then they should be ready. Then you need to flip them 1 or 2 more times just to make sure that they are 100% cooked. If there's any more gray or bluish area, you want to let them cook for a little while longer. But once they start looking like this, all grilled, all pink, and all more round and long, then they are fully cooked. Transfer them into a bowl on the side and keep them for plating later. For the pasta, you want to start with too much garlic. So the original recipe recommend to use 2 garlic cloves, but I decided to use 8. Why? Why not? More garlic, more flavor. I don't know. I used 8 garlic cloves. I wanted something that was really garlicky, and it was amazing. It was good. So you want to chop the garlic as small as you can, and then you want to put it into a cauldron, and you want to start prepping your ingredients. So you're gonna need 1/3 cup of butter. Yes, it's a lot of butter. This is a fat sauce. This is a white, fat, creamy sauce. This is not what you eat when you want to be healthy. Okay. Then you want to have 450 milliliter of cream, 2 tablespoons of white wine, Provence herbs, the zest of a lemon, and 2.5 cups of parmesan, and salt and pepper to taste, obviously. So you want to start by melting the butter. Melt. Once the butter is all melted, you want to add the lemon zest, the Provence herbs, and the cream. Then you want to add a splash of wine, and you want to mix that together until it is fully incorporated. You want to add the salt and pepper, and you want to keep mixing and cooking for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that everything is hot and well incorporated. If you add the parmesan while it's still cold, the parmesan will not melt, and it will just sink at the bottom, and it will stick, and it will not be incorporated into the sauce properly. So you want to make sure that everything is hot before you put the parmesan in the sauce. Then once you put the parmesan in the sauce, you want to make sure that you mix everything well, and you want to cook for at least a good 2 minutes until it is ready. While it is cooking, you can do the pasta, or you can put it to low temperature and then cook pasta. That's what I did because I wanted to make sure that the sauce was fully ready and hot. Luigi requested tuna in his pasta. I used the shrimp. You can put the shrimp underneath the sauce or on top of the sauce. That is up to you. I decided to incorporate them in the sauce so it tastes even better. So this is what it looked like at the end. So tasty, creamy, full of flavor, lemony, garlicky. Yes, all of this. So this is the recipe for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It is really tasty, it's good, it's amazing. It is not my recipe for the sauce, so I'll link it down below. So it will not be on my website, but I really recommend this website. It's Coup de Grâce. They are amazing. They do nice, tasty recipe. The shrimps are mine, so the shrimp recipe will be on my website, and I will put a link for the sauce in the description of the recipe of the shrimp on my website. So if you don't know, I have a website, link down below. I also have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I have a Discord. Feel free to join all of those. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching this today. And I'll see you guys next week for another video. And until then, go have fun and make nice food. Bye bye!